Have you ever seen those adorable AI animal videos where they talk, sing, or even dance, and wondered, how do they make that? Well, today, I'll show you how to create all three using Edimakor, a talking animal, a singing animal, and even a dancing animal avatar. Let's jump right in. Part 1. Create an animal that talks. First, open Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, I've left the link in the description below. Now go to AI Avatar, Talking Photo, then Talking Animal. Here you'll see tons of animal avatars ready to use.
Elevate your storytelling with powerful video editing.
Elevate your storytelling with powerful video editing.
Elevate your storytelling with powerful video editing. Elevate your storytelling with powerful video editing.
Elevate your storytelling with powerful video editing.
Pick the one you like, or upload your own image if you want a fully custom character. Also, it allows you to generate your own avatar instantly and capture the avatar in your timeline. Now give your animal a voice. You can use AI voice, upload your audio, or record directly inside Edimakor. Here I just enter my text, choose a voice, and hit confirm. Once everything looks good, click generate, and your talking animal comes alive in seconds.
Edimakor provides a variety of highly effective tools for quick and seamless video editing.
Part 2. Create an animal that sings. Go to AI Avatar, Singing Photo, and switch to the Animal tab to browse the pre-made characters.
The rising sun of faith brings a brand new day. In the heart of the city, the beat never sleeps. We're all chasing.
The rhythm starts, the night is ours. In the dance of love, we find the power.
You can also upload, generate, or capture to customize your own avatar. Now upload the song you want it to sing, but be careful, the song should be under 28 seconds. Then click Generate. Edimakor will sync everything automatically and give you a fun singing animal animation. Part 3. Create an animal that dances. Now, let's make your animal dance. Go to Media, AI Video, and choose Image to Video. Here you'll see a lot of models you can choose from. I've tested them all using the same prompt, and feel free to test them yourself. For this tutorial, I'm choosing Sora 2 just because I like its style. Now upload your image, paste your prompt into the prompt box, then choose the duration, resolution, and aspect ratio. Once you're ready, click Generate, and you've got your animal dance video ready. And that's it. Now you know how to create a talking, singing, and dancing animal avatar, all inside Edimakor. If you want more AI video tutorials, just like, subscribe, and comment below. I'll see you in the next video.